What is up, guys? Mastic over here. Today we're working on my 2006 Nissan Altima, and I'm changing the front shocks, and I would like to share this with you. So let's get straight to it. So first, what you want to do is take that wheel off. So this is those are 21 what the hell 21 millimeter lug nuts. Wheel over here. Make sure you raise the car. Obviously, it's on jack stands. It's actually really simple. There's a little lifting point in the middle of that subframe, the front part of it, and yeah, it's easy to lift. So what we want to do today is we don't actually have to remove the brakes. We just need to take this off, and this right here. I don't know if you guys can see correctly. Let me raise this up just a little bit. Boom. Okay, all right. So what we want to begin with is the end link. Now the end link, removing it sometimes can be tricky. Sometimes it's a bit easy. In my case, it's easy. It didn't spin with the ball joint inside. On the back of the end link, my end link is a little shot, but I don't care. So second thing we want to do, where's my hammer? So I want to get a hammer and take this crap out. So let me go get my hammer. Where's my hammer? Hammer should be over here. Oh, it was right behind me this whole time. All right, so let's get this. Came out pretty easy. Boom. So there is a groove for the speed sensor. Wrap cable right here. That's off. This is off. This is off. What we want to do is get our 19 millimeter on this side and 17 millimeter socket and a wrench on the ratchet on this side. So this is the 19 millimeter, and this is the 17 millimeter that we need on the other side. Cool. Now keep in mind, I haven't removed the shock from top yet, so I just need to lift this out. Okay. Now, yes, it went down, but that doesn't really mean anything because the CV axle is still in place. Keep in mind, this is the right side, and the axle is a little bit longer. On the other side, it's actually a little bit easier. So what I want to do is punch this out of it. Okay. Now we can lift it up a little bit. Okay. And I want to get my 14 millimeter because I'm pretty sure those are stock nuts, and I actually want to reuse them. Don't reuse the freaking what do you call it? That was bad. I'm just gonna put this right here. I'm hoping nothing got cut. Good. Is the axle still in place? Axle's still good. All right. Let's put this right here, as we don't need it no more, and there's nothing to transfer. I actually don't care about this paper. Oops. Yeah, axle went right back in. Good. All right. I'm gonna use this new one. Let me see, actually. Do I need this? Not really. Nissan be using all sorts of extra shit. Okay, as I said, we're not using them. So what I want to do is try to pass this through here. And then come on. I don't know what the hell it's hitting, but we can figure that out later. You just need one, but two is good. what is it? Oh, okay, not bad. Cool. Just give me a leverage for the last one. Okay, all right. Let me just turn the shock a little bit, make it straight. There we go. Okay, let me take this stupid sensor out of the way. Here we go. Is that how it's supposed to be? Yeah. All right, so end link is on this side. It goes on. Huh. Oh, right here. Am I tripping? This was supposed to be behind, right? It's fine. I'll take it off from here. Not reroute it. It's okay. It was supposed to be behind, godly. Yeah, it was supposed to be under it. It's okay. All right. Let me tighten it. Barely. We want to put this, and my phone keeps hitting the fender. Pretty sure you guys can still see. Great. Now this. Let me turn the wheel a little bit. Oh, I think I'm supposed to turn it this way. Feels wrong, but who cares? All right, now I want to reroute that stupid sensor, which is held by a 10mm. I didn't really have to go through this, but just messed up on the path of how it's supposed to be routed. Sadly, it's not a 10, it's a 12. Okay, this thing is bent right here, but it still goes in though. And this one, I always want to clean this anytime you get the chance. There's a magnet and it gets thrown off by the dirt. much almost done. Did I tighten the top ones? Oh, I didn't. So I'm gonna tighten this. Cool. All right. Looks tight to me. Everything looks good. Okay. Everything looks good. This is good. Good. Sensor. End link. Top 3. I'm not using these ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the wheel, and I'm gonna put the wheel back. Sorry guys, the video stopped, well, the camera stopped recording as I was trying to put the wheel back, but went ahead and put the wheel back, and I dropped the car off, the jack stands. I want to show you, because I thought I was recording. It was right here, this point right there. You could lift up from it, it's part of the subframe. Just lift it up and then drop the car. But anyways, I'm pretty glad that I got everything that I need on the video. So the old ones were pretty shot. They used to bounce up and down, make some noise. They're right there. It was time to change them. This is it for the video. I hope you found it helpful. I'm hoping these shocks are pretty good. I will update you on the quality of them in the description, because I bought them for pretty cheap compared to other good ones on Amazon. I bought this set for like $150 with taxes and shipping, all of that from Amazon. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. See you later.